Hungary has appealed against the Strasbourg judgment on the case of the two immigrants from Bangladesh. The European Court of Human Rights decided in March that Hungary had violated the rights of the two Bangladeshi people because they hadn't been allowed to cross the southern border of the country. They are to receive a compensation of millions of Hungarian forints. Two men could neither write or read. Therefore, the George Soros-funded Helsinki Committee represented them and sued Hungary at the European Court of Justice.
The European Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg decided against Hungary in this March in the case of Bangladeshi migrants. The two men came to the Röszke transit zone in the autumn of 2015. There, the Helsinki Committee convinced them to hire the NGO to legally represent them in the asylum procedure. As their claim was rejected, the George Soros-funded NGO brought their case to the European Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg. Meanwhile, the Hungarian authorities have sent the migrants back to Serbia. There they departed to an unknown destination. In the meantime, the court ordered 3 million foreign compensation to both men for unlawful detention and almost 3 million forints in lawyers' fees to the Helsinki Committee. The NGO said since the defendants cannot be found, their compensation should also be given to the Helsinki Committee. The Strasbourg decision will be appealed by Hungary, Pál Völner told M1. According to the State Secretary of the Ministry of Justice, the charge of unlawful detention does not stand. The fact that the two Bangladeshis have disappeared proves that. This clearly means that the charge, namely that they were imprisoned, is not true, as they could leave without any restriction. The transit zone is open towards Serbia, he said. The State Secretary for Government Communications stated that the Strasbourg court's decision was unfair and unlawful. Bence Tuzsan said that in addition to the appeal, it is important to clarify what interests the NGOs that claim themselves to be human rights organizations truly serve. Hungary will not assist to the Soros-run migrant business, said the ruling Fidesz party. In their statement, they added, in only this one particular trial, the Soros-funded NGO representing the Bangladeshis would make 2.7 million forints. If all rejected asylum seekers or apprehended migrants sue Hungary, the NGOs could profit 40 to 50 billion forints, about 130 million euros, of the migration business.